Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Understanding.Concepts.Of.Physics, and here we are with another numerical of oscillations. You can just pause the video and you go through the questions. So the question is, okay, there is a needle of a sewing machine which is moving along a path. So a needle actually goes up and down, so it will keep on oscillating, and the amplitude is given as 4 centimeters and the frequency is given as 5 hertz, and they are asking us for acceleration and 1 upon 30 seconds after it has crossed the mean position. So there are three quantities given, 1, 2 and 3, and we are supposed to find out the acceleration. So that same thing I have written over here in the given format. So A, that is the amplitude is given as 4 centimeter, the frequency is given as 5 hertz, and acceleration is something we need to get. And whenever they are asking us acceleration, velocity or displacement, they will always give you the time, or they will always give you the position where the particle is. Mind you, A is amplitude and ACC is representing the acceleration. Now we have a basic formula for acceleration when it comes to oscillation, and that formula is ACC, that is acceleration is equal to minus of omega square x. This is the basic formula. Now I am just ignoring this minus sign just because it is just showing that acceleration and displacement are in opposite direction. So that's the reason why you will not see any minus sign going forward. Then x, what is x? X is displacement, and x displacement is x is equal to a sine omega t plus alpha. So this is my equation of displacement. So because x is equal to a sine omega t plus delta, I can say that okay, wherever there is a x, I'll write as a sine omega t plus alpha. Now omega is having a formula of 2 pi f. Because frequency is given to us, I am using this formula. So in place of omega I have 2 pi f, in place of omega I'll have 2 pi f. Now alpha is equal to 0 because we are assuming that the particle is beginning from mean position, and they have also mentioned it is crossing the mean position. So because it is mentioned about mean position, or because you can also assume that the particle is starting from mean position, the alpha ka value is 0 or it is equal to pi. So we are just assuming that alpha ka value is 0 in order to not get stuck in the solving the trigonometry. So my omega t will change to 2 pi ft, and alpha ka value is 0. So alpha is put as 0 because the particle starting from mean position will have alpha ka value 0. Then I have squared this, so this will be 4, this will be pi square, and this will be f square. A as it is, sine as it is, everything as it is. Then let's fill in the value. So 4 into 3.14 the whole square into frequency is 5 hertz, so 5 square, and amplitude is 4 centimeters, that is 4. Sine as it is, 2 as it is, pi as it is, frequency is 5, time is 1 by 30. So all the quantities have been substituted. Now this 4 and this 4 4s are 16, 3.14 square as it is, 5 square is 25, sine as it is, and this 5 2s are 10, and 1 0 cancels, you get pi by 3. So I get pi by 3 radians. Then 16 as it is, 3.14 square as it is, 25 as it is. Now pi by 3 is basically equal to 60 degrees. This many radians is equal to 60 degrees. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So I have replaced that by root 3 by 2. Then I'll just cancel this 2 1s are and 2 8s are. So you get 8 into 3.14 square into 25 into 1.732. Now 1.732 is basically the value of root 3. Now from here on the calculation might differ. Like if you do not remember this value, then you definitely have to apply log and you have to solve. In case if you remember the value 1.732 for root 3, then yes, you can do it further. 25 8s is 200, 3.14 square as it is, and 1.732 as it is. Then I have multiplied these two quantities, just doubling the number and shifting the point on the right side. So I get 346.4 while you multiply these two things. 3.14, I am seeing that multiplying 3.14 twice and then multiplying that by this number may be difficult. So I just replace 3.14 as 22 by 7. Again, solving can be done by many methods. If you are comfortable with 3.14, just go ahead with that. 22 by 7 can be written as 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 2 times, and then you just have to cancel these things and then multiply this. Multiplying by 22 I felt easier compared to multiplying by 3.14. That's the reason why I have just manipulated this thing. And then when you solve this entire thing, you get 3421 centimeters per second square because it's an acceleration, and since Since we have not converted the centimeters into meters, your answer for acceleration would be in equal to centimeters per second square. Also, hertz is an SI unit, and hertz is basically equal to 1 upon second, and 1 second is a unit which is of time, which is same in each system. So SI system, MKS, CGS, FPS, everywhere time ka unit is seconds. That's the reason we get centimeters per second square. Now if I convert this centimeters to meter, you will get full marks for this, but in case if you want to convert that centimeters to meters, you just have to shift this point over here, and this point will come at this point, and that will be 34.21 meters per second square. So if you see, if you fall from a first floor of height, your acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. Of course, this is a pretty good amount of hit after first floors. But if you see the needle is actually moving so fast, so changing its velocity so rapidly that its acceleration comes out to be 34.21 times. That is almost like 3.5 times of what acceleration due to gravity is. No doubt the vibration, the amplitude of a needle is very small, but still, like you can just imagine the acceleration is 3.5 times of what acceleration due to gravity is. So this is all about this problem, and I hope you have understood this topic and the numerical. Subscribe the channel in case you have not done so yet, and keep following the videos from the playlist, and there are other playlists as well. Go through the playlist and select your topic as per your need. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.